Wow, we have come to the end of this series. This is the last video in this series where I'm teaching you how to create a marketing strategy to help you sell more in your crochet business. And in this video, I'm just going to be running through some final things you need to take note of that are important. If this is the first video you're watching, you want to go back to watch my last three videos, as this is part of a series. It's a series of 4 videos where I've explained in detail how you can create a marketing strategy to sell your crochet products. So definitely watch the first 3 videos in the series if you want this video to make a lot of sense to you. But based on everything I've said, I've taught so far in this series, what I want you to note, the important things are, once you announce your launch, you need to make sure that you are posting consistently until your launch ends. You guys, when you announce that, okay, this offer is now open, people can now take part in your promo, you might not get any order on day 1 or day 2. You need to still continue posting. In fact, post and act as if people are messaging you, others are joking, because people don't want to miss out. So you are going to be utilizing that FOMO, the fear of missing out. If you make it seem as if, oh, everybody's already messaging you, other people are going to want to message you as well, because they don't want to feel like they're the only ones missing out, they're the only ones that haven't messaged you yet. So post consistently. That's why I've also said, or that's why it is important for you to also create your content ahead of time. The reason why most people don't post consistently is that they don't know what to post, or they don't have what to post. But that will not be your case, because you've already created a plan of what you're going to be posting, and you've even created the content. So you have all the content ready to go, which means that it will be easy for you to be consistent. Okay, it is very important for you to be consistent, and a way to make sure you're consistent is to plan all of your content ahead. If this is the first video you are watching in this series, it might not make too much sense to you, but watch the previous videos where I've explained how to do things in more detail. Now, another thing I want you to do is to be focused. You guys, there's so much noise on Instagram, everybody advising, everybody saying, like, sometimes when I'm seeing a lot of, oh, this is how to go viral, this is what you should post next so that you can go viral, you can just get lost and you are trying to go viral. Meanwhile, you are not a content creator. You sell crochet products, and your aim on Instagram is to get people to buy your product. Yes, going viral is not bad, but I don't want you to take your eyes off the prize. Your sole aim on Instagram is to get people to buy your crochet products, which you can achieve by applying the strategy I've just explained to you. If you go viral, that's great, it's a win-win. But even if you don't go viral, you're still going to get people ordering your product, and that is exactly what you want. So do not lose focus. You shouldn't be chasing the next flashy thing, because you already know where you're going and you have a strategy to help you get there. Be focused on your strategy and see it through till the end. Another thing I want to remind you of is the fact that this is crochet, and all orders you get will be handmade. You might not be able to handle everything yourself, because you only have 2 hands, and crochet takes time. There's no way you can speed up the process unless you hire people. So make sure that if you need help to be able to fulfill the orders you've gotten, you have people to help you out, so that you do not disappoint your customers. Because remember, a happy customer is the customer that will refer you. If you disappoint a customer, chances are they will not come back to patronize you, and they will not even refer you to other people. So it is important. This is why your pricing must be done correctly, because if you don't price correctly, by the time you hire help, there's no way you'll be able to pay the person, because you didn't even fix the price correctly in the first place. So you just realize that by the time you buy yarn, you don't even have enough money to pay the people you want to help you. Okay, pricing correctly is so important. Otherwise, you're just going to see that, okay, people ordered, but I don't have any money to show for it. If you're struggling with pricing, click the link in my description box to get the ebook I wrote about how to price your crochet products correctly in order to make profit. Pricing is important, and when you start outsourcing, you're going to see, like, more. If you're still doing the thing yourself, you might not really see, you just like, oh, it's raining, okay, let me just manage it. But when you have to pay other people, then there's no way you can patch. Now, the last thing I want to tell you is that launching, one of the reasons why launching or doing an offer, a promo, is very sweet, is that it helps you get bulk money. It helps you get bulk money in that, within that phase where your promo is on, a lot of people are ordering. So, like, a lot of people are ordering. The money is not coming in trickles. The money is going to come at once within that week. So you want to make sure you're handling your finances properly until your next launch phase, okay? Because that type of bulk money would only come when you are running promo. Like, even if on an average you sell 50K per day, on an average when there's no promo. When there's promo, you can realize that you're selling 200k per day. This is just, I'm just using figures here, but my point is when your promo is on, you're going to be selling a lot more and making a lot more money than other days in your business. So manage your money properly so that it's able to last you until your next launch phase. And you want to make sure you set aside a marketing budget. If you did not do ads in your first month applying this strategy, when you make sales, make sure you set aside some amount of money to run ads next month, because running ads is going to like triple the results you get from applying this strategy. I hope you found this whole series helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below, and I'm going to see you in my next video for another exciting topic. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye.